The purpose of the Parent Leadership Training Institute is to empower parents to be advocates for their children, to become change agents in their communities. While the parents are learning how to be leaders, the children are also learning, and they have the same curriculum as the parents. However, the children's curriculum is literacy-based. So every week they get a book. And being a grandmother and a librarian, I really appreciate that. We have story time for the children. They learn how to be leaders. They learn how to interact with one another. My girlfriend called me one day and she said, "Oh, Josephine, I got something you really should be interested in." And I said, "No, I can't put nothing else on my plate. No." She said, "Well, let me fax it to you." So she faxed it to me. And I read it and I said, "Oh, this is what I've been looking for." By partnering with an agency like United Way, it just strengthens what we're doing. And it's not, with United Way, is not just the monetary piece, which is very important, but it's the support that they give us in encouraging parents to go out and be leaders for the community. You just get so passionate about it. What I see and what makes me feel so good is seeing how parents grow, seeing how parents are so proud that they can stand in front of the Board of Ed and speak on behalf of their children. For me, to be a volunteer, to help other people is just a joy. It's just rewarding. It's just something that I choose to do. It's part of my life.